On Tool Steel in 60 seconds, we'll discuss how to select the right tool steel grade. Eliminating unexpected failure is the first priority of grade selection. Broken tools cause downtime, which is more costly than the tooling itself. Engineers should start by choosing a steel with enough toughness to avoid breaking. Some tough steels like S7 or A2 may be too soft, causing the tool to deform. PM steel can fix this problem due to their ability to achieve high hardness without sacrificing toughness. Tough tool steel helps eliminate unexpected failure, allowing tooling to be maintained more predictably. The second priority of grade selection is to extend tool life through continuous improvement. This involves selecting a grade with higher wear resistance. This process can continue until the new grade begins to chip or fail unpredictably. This process identifies the optimal balance of toughness, wear resistance, and hardness. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share.